We just got ourselves a Thundersnow condition. Okay. Snow actually, yeah, this is heavy snow right now. Look at this. A big burst of lightning and thunder just happened. Sadly, I did not get that on camera, but there's lots of heavy snow right now. It was sleeting just a little bit ago, and now here's thunder snow. Dog, get back inside. It's snowing pretty heavy right now. Dog, Bull, get back. He's covered in that. So yeah, thunder snow condition of big lightning and thunder. I just couldn't get it on camera, sorry. Yeah, pretty heavy snow.